Philosopher William James once wrote that the deepest principle in human nature is the craving to be appreciated. We all want to feel appreciated because it elicits the idea that our existence matters to someone else. It makes us feel valued and cherished because being appreciated is how we recognize that we are important to others and that our presence does make the difference in someone's life. This is why Nelson Mandela famously said, "What counts in life is not the mere fact that we have lived. It is what difference we have made to the life of others that will determine the significance of the life we lead." From similar standpoint, psychiatrist and Holocaust survivor Viktor Frankl developed an approach to the psychotherapy and that he called a logotherapy. That logotherapy was built upon the premise that human beings are motivated by will to meaning. In his view, meaning gives us purpose and purpose presents us with the endurance to carry onward through difficult times. So if we connect above ideas of all three great thinkers, what we conclude is we search for meaning in order to feel appreciated. While meaning motivates us, it's appreciation that transcends us. And how do we express appreciation for others and in turn receive more into ourselves? We tap into the incredible bottomless well of power within us called kindness. Because if we learn how to freely give as little as an ounce of it once per day, kindness can really spread more love and appreciation around us. And guys, through kindness, through the practice of kindness, we demonstrate appreciation. And through kindness and appreciation, we create meaning for everyone involved in our life. An authentic smile, a hand in solidarity and support, a willingness to listen when someone wants to speak. All these little acts of kindness triggers a release of oxytocin in our brain. I can call that a love hormone. Hence, why the very act of selfless giving is rooted in us feeling good as well. So here are 10 simple ways that you can use and you can make someone feel loved and appreciated through your words. Guys, follow those. So the number one is tell them how they inspire you to be a better person. Guys, you can tell them that what things help you to be a better person. You can tell also what changes you have made in your life. Number two is recognize the qualities you admire about them. If any qualities that you admire about that person, you can write down or you can tell that person what qualities you admire from them. Suppose if you admire confidence, write them or tell them, "I admire your confidence. I admire your personality. I admire the way you talk." Just tell them what you admire. Third one is remind them of how you feel in their presence. Suppose if their presence matters for you or it gives you some energy or it makes you feel good, tell them that every time I see you, you raise my spirit and my energy level. Number 5 is thank them for their willingness to be authentic. If you find someone that person is being themselves, that person is not trying to pretend about something, then you can also tell that person, "Thank you for being you. The world needs more people like you." They will feel appreciated and they will feel loved. Number 6 is applaud them for their genuine friendship. Guys, we never say thank you to our friends. We never appreciate our friends in front of them. But guys, suppose you write a letter to your friend thanking them that being your friend. Just think of it, and if you feel it is very good idea, just write a letter to your friend and say that you are such a great friend. Write a letter right now. Number 7 is tell them how happy you are to have them with you. Guys, most of the time we have people to support us in any situation. We have people who makes us happy. We have people who are supportive in any situation. But we never thanks them. Guys, you can tell them, "I am glad I'm sharing these moments with you. I'm glad that you are being part of my life." Just appreciate their presence in your life. Number 8 is appreciate them for their talent and efforts. Most often, we actually try to underestimate the person. We try to tell them that they are not good at something. But what if we try to tell them that you are so talented at this, you are getting better day by day. Number 9 is compliment their perspective. If you find a person with a good mind and good perspective about life, you can tell that person, I love your outlook on life. You have a beautiful mind. Number 10 is tell them how you are proud of them. A simple way of kindness is tell them, I am proud of you. Just appreciate them or just appreciate their efforts. Maya Angelou is famous for saying these words. I have learned that people will forget what you said, people will forget what you did, but people will never forget how you made them feel. Words are powerful. Use them to make people feel something profoundly beautiful about themselves and the world around them. Use your words to spread love and kindness, because that's how we heal and reshape the world. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please do not forget to share and subscribe to Top 5% Club. If you haven't already, click on the subscribe button and subscribe to Top 5% Club. If you have any comments about this video, about love and kindness, please put those comments into the comments box below. Until next time, my friends, start today for better tomorrow and take action now and be legendary.